afternoon, sir. My name is Prathamesh Rathod.
And myself Meera Vindu.
And myself Reet Akhilesh Chaudhary.
And we are the students of 9th from BT Gaikwad English Medium School. Here is our topic named Solar Tracking System.
A solar tracking system is a device that automatically moves the solar panel to follow the sun throughout the day. As the sun moves from morning to evening throughout the day, the sensor helps the solar panel to stay facing the sun for a longer period of time.
The system uses light sensors to detect sunlight. As the sun moves, the sensor sends signals to the motor. The motor rotates the panel towards the direction of maximum sunlight. This keeps the panel aligned with the sun all day. In our project, we have also made to show that how solar panels are used in rural villages and urban cities to utilize the solar energy in the household uses.
Another part we have showed the working parts. Here is the single axis solar tracker system and here is the dual axis solar tracking system. In single axis solar tracking system, the solar panel move only in one direction, that is east to west as shown in this diagram, and it follows this circuit, the circuit system also. It moves only in one direction, which is east to west. In dual axis solar tracking system, the solar panel moves in two directions, that is east to west and north to south, and it automatically adjusts the solar panel aligned to the sunlight perpendicularly.
Now we will be showing the working of single axis solar tracking system. Now this is a source of light. This system uses light dependent resistor or a timer. As the sun moves from morning to evening, the sensor detects the change in the light. The motor rotates the solar panel in one direction. This keeps the panel to stay facing the sun for a longer period of time.
Now we will be showing you the working of the dual axis solar tracking system. So the system, there are some parts of it. Here is the solar panel and here are some parts of the wires that are connected to it. The system constantly adjusts the panel angle based on the intensity of sunlight, which efficiently moves the sunlight from earlier day and late evening hours. In rural areas, due to frequent power cuts, people used wood as a fuel and copper utensils as a water heater. But now the time has changed and people have become smart. So they have started using the solar panels on the top of their houses to utilize the solar energy.
Similarly, in urban areas, solar energy is used in every household, school, bank, offices, etc. It is very efficient to use and it saves our time, and you don't have to wait for the electricity, and it also reduces your electricity cost.
This system also works in street lights. It converts the solar energy into electric energy. In windmills, the dual axis solar tracking system is used to make its solar efficiency, and it is provided by the LDR sensors, servo motor, etc. It also uses the anemometer for the wind electricity, and it also moves in vertically and horizontally.
Single axis solar tracker in hybrid wind solar system maximize the efficiency by rotating PV panels in east to west direction by using sensor, motors and controllers usually mounted on the top of the turbine or on the ground nearby.
PV panels or photovoltaic panels converts the solar energy into electric energy, which is useful in this circuit diagram or in this solar tracking system.
In houses, solar tracker helps to convert more solar energy into electricity. So by the motorized or passive mechanism to base the angle on the solar tracker to stay facing the sun perpendicularly. This higher the intensity, and which can boost the production of intensity by 25% to 60%.